Hey there, welcome to our channel and welcome back to my kitchen. Y'all come on in. Today we're gonna make a make-ahead salad. Not just any make-ahead salad. This is our family's absolute favorite. Randy and my son will fight you for it, and they will sit there and argue between each other about which one got more, okay? It is truly a good little salad.
My son is not here. If he sees this video, he'll probably show up.
Yeah, he'll show up. Mom, threw any extra? This isn't just any little salad. All right, all you're gonna need is some vinegar, white distilled, some sugar, some water, some olive oil, tomatoes, lots of cucumbers, peppers, any color, any kind, an onion, some salt, and some pepper. Absolute number one thing you have to make this salad is the cucumbers. They are the star. But then you can put pretty much anything else in there. You know, just make sure that you have some cucumbers, tomatoes, and onions, and then you can just go from there. You could put the cauliflower, broccoli, carrots, whatever you like, but this is the way they like it. They like it just with the cucumbers, tomatoes, peppers, and onions. And I'm not kidding. They will fight you for it, tell you it's all theirs, and that you can't have any. Okay, now I already cut one of the cucumbers, so we're just gonna cut one. And these are like nice English cucumbers, but you can use regular cucumbers too. It's just these are kind of burpless and they don't have as big a seed. So that's what we're gonna use today. And I don't know why they put this paper on there. Drives me up a tree. And then I got to clean it off anyway. Anyway, here we go. Slide these out of the way. Take the ends off. And then just thinly slice your cucumbers. Put those in the bowl. Go ahead and cut that onion. And you want it chunky. Just chunky monkey onion. So like 3 times on this really big onion and once across the middle. Because you want to be able to pick it up with your fingers. It's like finger food salad. You know, drop those in there. And cut our bell peppers. Not only is this a good salad, but it's a pretty salad. Okay, now what's left is the tomatoes, and I'm just going to quarter those. These are the small Campari tomatoes. Doesn't really matter what kind of tomatoes you use either. Put those in the bowl, and that bowl really isn't big enough, y'all. That bowl is not big enough, but we're gonna make it happen. Then we're just going to shake it up. Get them all combined, or as best we can, so that we put a little bit of everything in this jar. Because I don't think it's all going to fit. But that's okay, because I'll just get another jar and put the rest of it into another jar and make more sauce if I need to. You can go ahead and break those onions up. They'll pretty much do it themselves in the jar, but we can do it now a little bit. Okay, now we've got our jar full. Now we're going to add that. We need 1 cup of white distilled vinegar. Oops. 1 cup of water. 1/2 cup of olive oil. And 1/2 cup of sugar. Now we're going to get the lid on it, and we're going to do what Randy calls shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Oh, y'all, I forgot to put salt and pepper in there. Ah! You'd have a heart attack. Okay, let's get some salt and pepper in there. That's what we're missing. All right. With that much mix, we need 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. I don't know what I was thinking. Good thing I looked up from my shaking. All right, now all right. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're just going to stick this in the refrigerator, and it really, the longer you let it sit, the better. I mean, if it's in the fridge for like 3 days, then you can't keep them off of it. You can't. But overnight is good. All you gotta do, sit it just like this, right on in the fridge. When it comes out, yep, it'll be gone in 60 seconds. Randy said not to worry about putting it in the fridge. He wants a taste test now, which it'll still be good now, but once it sits in that dressing,
I should have had you just fill that up.
Well, it'll be better tomorrow.
I know. We're not going to have this at dinner tonight.
No, it's got to sit.
Tastes good just like it is.
It truly is good. For those simple of ingredients, they will. Between him and my son, they will fight each other over it.
My son is not here.
So he don't get it all.
If he sees this video, he'll probably show up.
Yeah, he'll show up. Mom, do any extra?
Look at that big old chunk of onion. It's so good and I want to eat it so fast, but I can't. It's that good.
I know it is. I like it too, but I'm not going to fight you for it. I just let them have at it. If there's a little bit left in the bowl, that's what I get.
She'll eat some.
That's what I said.
Now that's about there. What can I say? Y'all have a good one.
Like, subscribe, and share, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.